Oxygen XML Editor for the Eclipse plugin includes a file comparison tool that provides a mechanism for comparing XML-related resources in a visual or text-based mode. Some of the benefits include the visual file comparison mode makes it very easy to see how compared changes will look in the final output, including modifications made with change tracking enabled. Meanwhile, the text-based comparison mode makes it easy to identify the exact structural changes in your XML documents. You can use various comparison algorithms and ignore content that is not important in the comparison. It automatically performs a second-level comparison so that you can see changes inside modified blocks. It's integrated with the Eclipse comparison support. You can compare versions in the workbench with versions in the repository or local edit history. And you can compare 3 files when a common ancestor exists. Now I'll show you some of the features in action. If you use a versioning system, you can compare files directly from the Synchronize view. I have a file here that shows there are some changes in the repository, and I just need to double-click it to open the comparison. Notice that it automatically opened the comparison in the visual mode, where I can see how the compared changes will look in the final output. It includes some unique features, such as a toolbar button to specify the type of tags to display in the visual comparison mode. Notice that it presents changes at word level. It even presents differences made with change tracking enabled. You can navigate changes using the highlights in the vertical stripe or using navigation buttons on the toolbar. It also has actions to copy specific individual changes or all non-conflicting changes from one side to the other. It includes a text-based comparison mode, and you can switch to it by using the toolbar button. Most of the options, features, and actions that are available in the visual-based mode are also available in the text comparison mode. It also includes a set of diff options. For example, you can choose from various different algorithms for a 2-way comparison or 3-way comparisons. You can also specify whether or not namespaces, prefixes, namespace declarations, or the order of attributes should be ignored. You can also trigger the comparison tool from the Project Explorer view. I have 3 local files here that I want to compare, so I'll select them, right-click, and since it's a 3-way comparison, a dialog box prompts me to select which one is the common ancestor, or base. And again, the comparison is automatically started in the visual mode, but you can switch to the text-based mode. So your XML-related content can be compared directly in Eclipse using either the visual or text-based modes. It's very easy to switch back and forth between the two, and both modes include various options for controlling the comparisons. This concludes the demonstration, and as always, thank you for watching.